Hello everyone, and welcome to this recording. My name is Steve. Our video today will be on playing online puzzles. Well, the importance of puzzles cannot be underestimated in the development of a child. It helps to nurture the child's creativity, their problem solving, and critical thinking skills. So today, we will see how can we play online puzzles. And the first step is to click on the link which is going to take you to a new tab. On that new tab, you'll find the puzzle. So this is the page where the puzzle is, and I'll just take you through. The puzzle has been created by Regis School Early Years Library, and it is the Very Hungry Caterpillar. As you can see, down here you have the image of how the puzzle will look like after working it out. The playing the puzzle again has a timing, like that is pause, it has a time. So as you play the puzzle, the time is running just to help you know how fast are you able to solve the puzzle. Again, there's a number indicated here, and this number is 6, and it simply talks about or tells us the pieces, the number of pieces of the puzzle. Those are the number of pieces of the puzzle. This number can be changed to 4, 3, 10, 20, 30. The more the number, or the more we increase the number of pieces, the more complex the problem becomes. And that's a good thing. We really want to stretch our learners, we want to stretch our children into solving even complex problems. So if you have an account with Jigsaw Planet, your name will be indicated here. And as many people, or as different people play the puzzle, you'll be seeing their name and the duration or the time they played the puzzle. And that also brings in the aspect of competition. Remember, we are living in a very competitive world. So how do we change this number 6? If you want to change the number of the pieces, you click on play as. So you can move to 24, 63, 104, or you can even customize and say, I want to play with 12 pieces. And then you say play. So the number of pieces are going to change, and you will have 12 pieces of the puzzle. So you start a new game, and you can see the pieces are now more. Like those are 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. So now, can we play the game? How do you play this game? This picture here tells you how your final puzzle is going to look like. So it's like a guide to your puzzle. So we can use the guide to play the puzzle. So now can we do it, right? Yeah, so we can start. And usually, I find it easy to play the puzzle by first bringing together the parts which are similar. similar parts. For instance, if I look at this one, I can see this part, that part, similar, almost related, of course, and those two almost related. These are the legs, these are legs, so those ones will be on the lower side. And these ones definitely will be on the upper side. So now, with that, I know that I'm able to solve that. The other thing is to look at the edges. If you look at the edges, you're also able to know which part, like this one tells you that that is an edge, that is on a part of the edge. This, the top side, that is a edge, of course, as well. And if you happen to bring them together, you realize that they are fitting into one another. If you fix them in the right way, you will get a sound telling you like that part is already joined. And now you can actually move it as a whole. Now you cannot separate them again. So let's play the game. So I will bring this one down here. And then I'll bring this one, okay, there. And this one, I'll bring it there. Right? Are we somewhere? Are we doing anything? And this one, I'll bring this one there. Oh, not yet. Not really. So let's look for that. We should go there. We should go there. Oh yeah, you should come here. So now I already have that part. Oh yes, do I have the part which should come here? Let me look for it. This one should come there. Alright, let's look for the part which goes in there. Which part goes in there? This one? No. This one? Let's see whether it fits. No. This one, does it fit there? Oh yeah, it does. So which other part? Oh yeah, we're doing well. We're doing well. Are we doing well? No, that cannot fit there. That cannot fit there. That cannot fit there. Good. So we're using our critical and creative skills now. Can this fit there? I think it should. Oh yes, it does. So which other part fits where? Let's see. This one, no. This one, no. Okay. So, and we have to think before we even put it, we have to think. The legs there or here, of course, not there. So at the back, all right. This one there, yep. Where here, probably, and this one comes over there. And as you can see, I've been able to do that in 3 minutes. 12 piece I've done. That tells you that you've finished. If you want to do play the game again, you restart. If you want to change the number, you can also come over here. Then you go for custom. Then you can now say, let me try 15. Let me try 15. Say 15. I'm waiting for it to load, and then it says load the save to start a new game. Yes, I want to start a new game. And then now I have 15 pieces. Now I'm able to look at these pieces and bring them together. Like those ones, I can see there's some sections of the head over there. And this one comes there. Oh, that one goes there. Oh, the very hungry caterpillar, the words are there. That one goes there. Oh, there's some pieces which are hiding behind there, so I have to bring them, all of them, bring them up. And this one, remember there are 15 pieces, sorry. There are 15 pieces. All right. This one, where does it go? This one goes there. All right, let me put it this. This one. All right, so I'm looking for the part of the body. Yes, I'm looking for the edges. Critical and creative thinking skills. Critical and creative thinking skills. Does that not really? All right, this one. Let me fix. The legs. And the other, and now the body. right, go there, yep, here. Alright, I need to fix this one here, and this one there. I need to fix this one there, then I need to fix this one. You see, this one is 15 pieces, and I've been able to do it within 1 minute and 36 seconds. Well, that's lovely. So you can always play the game as many times as you want. You can change the game as many times as you want, and so on and so on. So that is the game that we'll be playing, and from now henceforth I'll be sharing with you more and more games. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy playing the game.